Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia, and today I'm gonna show you an apartment in the neighborhood of Camins al Grau in Peña Rocha Street. The apartment is located in a great neighborhood next to Ciudad de las Ciencias, next to the old Turia River, where you can enjoy a lot of parks and gardens. It's very well connected with the rest of the city by bus. You got a lot of bus lanes the next street, and the apartment is in a neighborhood with all the services. You got a supermarket one street ahead, and the apartment is a second floor with an elevator, and it's an studio concept with a bathroom, and I'm gonna show you. And this is the entrance door of the apartment. You have here a hall for two apartments that share the laundry room. There you got the electrical water heating system and the washing machine. And here is the apartment. This door is for the bathroom, where you got a sink, storage here, a mirror, the toilet, and a huge shower. Okay, over here we got the entire apartment. On the left we have the living, here the sleeping area, over there the dining, and behind that wall you got the kitchen. Here in the living you got a 3-people sofa, a mirror, a lamp there, a flat TV. Behind these curtains you got a window with exterior views. And there you got the double bed, 2 bedside tables with drawers. Here you got a shoe storage, a mirror, and a 2 slide door wardrobe. Over here you got a dining table with 4 chairs. There is a closet with glasses and mugs and a toaster. Here is the window with exterior views. From here you can see the Ciudad de las Ciencias. And in this side you got the kitchen with a smoke extractor, an electrical stove. There is a kettle, plates and cutlery, pots and pans. There are more storage space, a sink, a microwaves, and a fridge and freezer. Okay, so stylish this apartment. It's so nice. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed. Was José Manuel Díaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Adiós.